How to delete all virus on Android phone. So let's start. First open Play Store. Here you can see Avast antivirus and security. Search this and install this app. Then open this. Get started. Continue this. Tap again on screen. Allow this. Close this. If you not want to get paid packages, just close again. Continue with the ads. Then scan this. Wait for complete scan. After complete scan, you can see issues found. You can fix this. Tap on fix now. Allow background access. Allow this. Give all permissions. Then next. Give all permissions. After give all permissions, issues will be resolved successfully. Thanks for watching.